Hi, this is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create the ElevenLabs account. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to be updated about this channel. So let's go. ElevenLabs is an AI research and deployment company that offers advanced tools for generating realistic and emotionally nuanced speech, from text to speech and cloning voice, and creating other audio elements like sound effects. Its technology aims to make content universally accessible in any language and voice by enabling the creation of lifelike voiceovers for videos, audiobooks, games, and interactive AI applications. So now, what if you want to create an account for this website? It's very simple. First of all, you can just open your browser and search for ElevenLabs. You can select on ElevenLabs, this one. You can open it. So here's the first look. The most realistic voice AI platform. You can sign up by clicking on sign up in here. You can create an account. You can use or sign up with your Google account. I will use my Google account. You can select on your email that you want to sign in. This one, for example. Click on next. And can wait. And here you go. Here's the ElevenLabs. You can choose your style. You want to use light mode or dark mode. Which is dark mode, light mode, for example. Select on continue. You can enter your name, your date birth, what's your preferred language. You can select in here, example English. Tap on next, click on next. How did you hear about ElevenLabs? You can maybe from YouTube. You can choose your platform, switch between platform and anytime. Creative platform or agents platform. We'll choose creative platform. After that, you can click on continue. Which one describe you the best? Your personal use, creator, content business, voice actor, or others in here. Maybe voice actor, for example. What you like to do with ElevenLabs, you can choose text speech, audiobooks, music, sound effects, or voice cloning, speech to text, text to speech, maybe for example. Maybe I will choose all of this. Now click on continue. Now you can choose the plan if you want to use plan, or you can try 2 month free by enable the annual billing, but you can skip. You'll skip this. So now here's your ElevenLabs account. Now you can use this, your ElevenLabs. You can start typing here or paste any tag that you want to turn into lifelike speech. It's very simple, right? So that is how to sign up your ElevenLabs account. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.